Good morning, guys. This is definitely not a flattering angle, but I did want to come in and tell you I'm going to film a day in a life today. Today is my birthday, and I just thought that I would film. I'm fixing to do this rat's nest called hair. I'm waiting for my curly iron here to heat up. And I'm having my cup of coffee this morning. Yes, I'm still stuck in Valentine's Day, as you can see. Ronnie and I are up early. We are going, I know this is going to be like, that's what you wanted to do for your birthday kind of vlog. But I'm going to Walmart this morning. It's early. They're supposed to come and pick me up at about 9:30, 9:45 to be at Wally World, as we call it around here, at 10 o'clock. So I'm going to go and I'm going to pick up a few things that I want to eat on my birthday and just enjoy my day. Hopefully I don't knock you guys off. You know what I've realized is I took my wedding rings off the other day when I went to the pool, and you ever just not have your wedding rings on and then you feel like something's missing, Well, anyways, I colored my hair yesterday, colored all my gray, and I painted my nails. I was just trying to give myself a little pamper, kind of thing, since it is my birthday, as much as I possibly can, But anyways, I'm going to go to Wally World. They're going to be picking me up shortly. I still have to make my bed behind me. Anyways, I'm just putting my makeup on and getting dressed. And I thought I would just come in and say hello. And hopefully I'll look a little better than this before the time runs out. Okay, makeup on, hair is done. And now I'm going to put my sweater on, make this bed, and we are going to be off to go to Wally World here in a little bit. I'm going to finish my coffee, got to brush my teeth, got to clean out my bag, and make sure I have my bus pass and all that good stuff. And that is that. All right, we're doing our shopping in Wally World, and I'm with my man, and we finally found an aisle that we could vlog in.
It's been a little while since we shopped together.
I know it.
But
it's been forever.
They seem to have everything that we need so far, and
yeah.
We hope it keeps on this good trend of getting what we need. But we're really enjoying it.
All right, guys, I gotta get off here because I gotta turn the buggy. We gotta get going, don't we? We are waiting on the bus to pull up. We just made it home from Wally World, and I came home to a surprise. Ronnie had, well, his mom had this coffee table, and it was in another house that they own over in Ohio, and it is very heavy. Like, it is going to take some manpower to move this coffee table, and I have mentioned several times how much I would love to have it. Anyways, I came home from Wally World, and sitting in my living room is the coffee table. So, surprise, surprise to me. And my sweetheart was so sweet and surprised me, didn't he, baby?
I sure did, honey. And you know what? This is a real nice table. And you know what? It's going to last you a long time.
It is. It's going to last. It's going to last forever because it is.
And your man wanted you to have it. And your man wanted you to have a wonderful birthday. So everybody, real quickly, happy birthday to you.
Why don't we save that for later?
Happy birthday, my baby. Happy birthday. I love you.
Aw, isn't he sweet, guys? Isn't he sweet? Anyways, I got this fantastic coffee table after going shopping. I bought he gave me money to spend for my birthday, and I bought all new curtains for the living room. And so I'm going to see what those look like, see if I want to. You know, when you buy curtains, it's like...
They look nice.
They feel really nice. Like, they're very good.
They work on
They are the... What did I say they were? Sun reducer.
Yeah, and they're thick.
Yeah, they... I don't know what they call that.
They reduce a little bit of sun.
They reduce the sunlight, and these are sort of like a cream. I'll show you guys in the video in a little bit. They're sort of like a cream/tan color, and they're chenille. They're very, very soft, very pretty. I'm gonna take them over. Blackout. That's it. Blackout curtains. I'm gonna take them over and show them to my mother-in-law. She gave me a present this morning, which was so sweet. And my parents sent me a card. And my son ordered me something, but he called me yesterday and he said, Mom, I don't think it's going to be there till Monday. And today is Thursday. And I'm like, oh, that's okay. That's okay. He said, no, there's a chance it could come tomorrow or the next day. So it's all good. We're all good. We are going to go over to my mother-in-law's. She just called. I was actually going to cook today. But she made some pork chops and some green beans and asked if we'd like to come over to eat. And I said, as soon as we get done drinking our coffee, I bought some Starbucks vanilla coffee. It is my all-time favorite coffee now. I do not know why.
But we love it here.
Oh, it's so good. It is so good. And to justify spending the money on the bag of coffee, you know, Ronnie was like, well, you don't even go to Starbucks anymore. And I would have paid that much for pretty much a big cup of coffee from Starbucks.
At least this will do us a week.
The what now?
At least this will do us a week, the bag.
Yeah, a bag will last us a week. But it's like, you know, you just... It's expensive. I'm like the cheapest woman alive, honestly. But anyways.
No, you can't skimp on coffee.
No, we're not going to skimp on coffee. It's one of the things that we love. Well, anyways, I am going to finish my coffee and go over and see my mother-in-law for a little bit. And then I'm going to come back. And I am going to, I think I'm going to put some things together. And then that I bought and show you guys, maybe put it together. I hope so. I probably need to find me a screwdriver or something. And then I'll show you guys the curtains. And then I'm going to make my own birthday cake. And I'm going to go back over to my in-laws and share my birthday cake with them. So that's what I'm going to do. Anyhow, and I'm sure they have ice cream and stuff next door at their house. They always do, so we'll be raiding their fridge while we're there. Right, babe?
That's right.
So I'm going to let you guys go, and I'll check in a little bit. This is my coffee table that I wanted, and I thought I'd quickly show you what it looks like. This thing weighs a ton. And those poor men had to carry this in for me for my birthday, but... I am so appreciative, and I love it. It's going to be real pretty. I'm going to shine it up real good, though, and put some decorative touches on it. But even Ronnie's already got his coffee sitting there. Okay, excuse the lighting, but there is my cake. I'm going to take it next door and have a piece with my in-laws. It has been a wonderful day. I hope you guys enjoyed spending some time with me, and I'm going to flip the camera around here. Hold on. So I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me. I had an excellent birthday. It was very, very nice. I didn't show you guys the curtains. I will before this whole thing goes out. But there is my cake. Just came out of the oven. Smells fabulous. We're going to take it next door, have a little cake. Then it's going to be time to wind down from the day because tomorrow I'm going to the gym. Hope you guys enjoyed spending my birthday with me. And thanks for all the happy birthday wishes I got today on Instagram and Facebook. Love each and every one of you. Thanks so much for supporting Kiddos Koral. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up for my birthday, guys. Check you guys later. Bye!